Good morning, students. Yesterday's lecture, we have discussed down the types of realization structures, that is FIR structure and IR structure. In that, again, we have a separate types. IR structure has direct form 1 and direct form 2 and cascade form structure, and FIR structure has the different types like direct form, and then cascade form and lattice structure. So this is what yesterday we have discussed the difference, and we have derived an equation for direct form structure, direct form 1 and direct form 2 structure, and also we have solved example on direct form 1 and direct form 2 implementation. So today we will take one more example. So let me solve this example here. So here as a solution, I'm just writing it as solution. Let me write, or let me solve this. Or this equation we are writing it as y of n is equals to it is as already given minus 0.1 y of n minus 1 plus 0.2 y of n minus 2 plus 3x of n plus 3.6 x of n minus 1. So first we'll draw the diagram for direct form 1 and direct form 2. So first for direct form 1 implementation, direct form 1 implementation, we have the structures as already we have solved this example. So based on this, so we'll solve this. So here, so first we will take the input x of n as an input, then we'll add this. So here x of n we want 3 x of n we want, so 3 as a multiplier I will take, and then this is the first part I have taken, and then the second part we have is 3.6 into x of n minus 1. So if I pass this x of n through a delay element, that is what we are calling it as Z inverse. So here we'll get the output at this point we'll get x of n minus 1, and then if I add this with this function with the multiplier 3.6. So this is the first part we have added. Then similarly on the right hand side, so we want to implement this now. So here this is what we have a y of n as an output function. Then here I want y of n minus 1. So if I pass this through a delay element, let's call Z inverse, and then let us add it as we have a two functions. So we need to add this function. Here the multiplier is minus 0.1. Then again, as we want to go for the second delay function, that is y of n minus 2. So this is Z inverse, and its output is y of n minus 2, which is going to be multiplied with the function 0.2. So this is our direct form 1 realization, right? Similarly, we'll go for direct form 2 realization. So in direct form 2 realization, we know that, let's go for direct form 2 realization. Direct form 2 realization. Direct form 2 realization. So here, so as we know that it is like system 1 and system 2 are interchanged. This is system 2 and this is next one is system 1, for which the input is x of n and the output is y of n. So that means here this is what we are calling it as system 1. This is our system 1 and this is our system 2. So I'm just keeping this system 2 as it is. So let's write the system 2 I'm just keeping as it is. So here this is Z inverse. Then one more delay we will take, as the highest delay required are 2. So we will call it as a second order filter. So we'll write it as it is. I am just writing this. This multiplier is minus 0.1 and this multiplier is 0.2. And here the input will be x of n. Then the output we are going to write. So here, so this part, this I have just written as it is. This is the right side portion we can call. This is the right side portion, the left side portion. So right side portion I have written as it is. Then again, we need to write the left side portion. That is, this is what our system 2 we can call it is. This is the system 2. And then I'm just writing about the system 1. So system 1 has one delay element. So we will write it this way as it is. We are using just this delay element. So this will be, this is 3 and this is 3.6. This is 3.6 y of n. This is direct form 2 implementation. So this is what we are calling it as figure B. Is for the direct form 2 implementation, and this is figure A is for the direct form 1 implementation. So this is how we are just realizing the given difference equation in terms of direct form 1 and direct form 2. Then let us move next. This is one more equation again, which we are having. So this is the answer for this particular question. So obtain direct form 1 and direct form 2 for the system described. So it is given y of n equals to minus 0.1, y of n minus 1. So this is same as the previous case again. So here, as we have directly here one change we are having in this part, we have x of n and then directly we have x of n minus 2. So that means, so this in between portion is 0 here. So that means, so directly after 2 delay element, we are going to add that function. So that is the just change in this particular example. Rest all thing is same. So now let us, so this is the system described by the transfer function, like h of z equals to 3 plus 4z divided by z minus 1 by 2 minus 2 divided by z minus 1 by 4. Does this h of z represent a FIR or IR filter, and why? Okay, give a difference equation realization of this system using direct form 1 and draw the block diagram for the direct form 2, or it is also called as canonic realization. The other name for this direct form 2 is canonic realization, and give the equation for implementation, governing equation for the implementation. So that means we need to understand whether it is FIR or IR first. So let us understand the solution. So now if I simplify this above equation, that is here h of z equals to 3 plus 4z by z minus 1 by 2 minus is equals to 3 divided plus 4z z minus 0.5. I'm just writing it in a simplified format. And by taking the LCM and simplifying that, we will get 7z square minus 5.25z plus 1.375 divided by z square minus 0.75z plus So after solving this, we will get it is 7z square minus 5.25z plus 1.375 divided by z square. So now by looking at this, we can understand whether it is FR filter or IR filter. So as it has both the parameters like numerator as well as the denominator. So we can write, we know that this is an IR filter system. So here I have just written, as well in the system function, it has numerator of polynomial of order 2 as well as a denominator of polynomial of order 2. So the system function has pole as well as zeros, hence it represents IR filter. Then next, so if I want to write it for a diet from 1, so then we are writing it like this. So it is, as we know, the transfer function is defined as y of z by x of z. We are converting these positive powers into the negative powers. Just divide throughout both the equations by z square, we'll get this equation. So it is 7 minus 5.25 z inverse plus 1.375 z power minus 2. And denominator is also same. So we are writing it as y of z by x of z. So by taking this cross multiplication, so we are writing it as y of z into this part. Y of z into 1 minus 0.75 z inverse plus, and then is equals to x of z into this. So we are getting this 7x of z minus 5.25 z inverse x of z plus 1.375 z power minus 2 x of z. Now by applying a inverse z transform on this, by applying a inverse z transform to this equation, so we will write here, we will write it as यहाँ पे अगर if you just see this, so here if you simplify this equation little more, one more step, so we will get it as y of z minus 0.75 z inverse y of z plus 0.125 z power minus 2 y of z, which is equals to 7x of z minus 5.25 z inverse x of z plus 1.375 z power minus 2 into x of z. So by applying inverse z transform to this, we'll get this equation. So by applying inverse z transform, so we'll get y of z, y of n, then z inverse into y of z is y of n minus 1, and z power minus 2 into y of z is y minus y of n minus 2. So likewise for the right side also. So then y of n equals to 0.75 y of n minus 1 y of n equals to 0.75 y of n minus 1 minus 0.125 y of n minus 2 plus 7x of n minus 5.25 x of n minus 1 plus 1.375 x of n minus 2. So now we are just realizing this equation. We are just realizing this equation and we will simplify. So here this is y of n, sorry, x of n is the input part, and here this is 7x of n we want. So 7 is the multiplier here. If I pass this through the delay element, we'll get x of n minus 1 here, and this is our x of n minus 2, then multiplier. So likewise, the process is same for as we have done with the previous examples. So here only the thing is that we need to convert this transfer function to the difference equation. This is what we are calling it as a difference equation of IR filter. Difference equation. Now proceed next again. So here diet form 2, or it is also called as a canonic system. So here we can simplify this. H of z equals to like the same equation, same process we are following. The way how we have derived the equation, that way we are just writing this like y of z by w of z, w of z by x of z, and h of z equals to h1 of z into h2 of z. That is just a product of two system function. So this we are writing it as 1 divided by 1 minus 0.75 z inverse. This is the first part, and this is what we are calling it as h1 of z, and this is we are calling it as h2 of z, h1 of z and h2 of z. So then simply we are writing h1 of z equals to w of z by x of z, which equals to 1 divided by 1 minus 0.75 z inverse plus 0.125 z inverse. Now by taking the cross multiplication here this way again, so we are writing this w of z into 1 minus 0.75 z inverse plus 0.125 z power minus 2 equals to x of z. Or else if you simplify this and taking w of z on the other side, so we are writing it as this function. Now by taking the inverse z transform to this, we'll write w of n equals to x of n plus 0.75 omega of n minus 1 minus 0.125 omega of n minus 2. Now we are realizing this equation. So x of n equals to here, this is w of n we want as output. So first we want x of n as this part, then plus we want this as a omega of n minus 1 and omega of n minus 2. So omega of n, if I pass with this, we'll get omega of n minus 1, or this is like omega of n minus 2 again. So this is the way how we are realizing this equation. Now let us solve it for h2 of z. So h2 of z is like this. So here h2 of z equals to y of z by w of z. And again, by taking the cross multiplication here, we'll get y of z equals to this 7 w of z minus 5.25 z inverse w of z plus 1.375 z power minus 2 w of z. Taking inverse z transform of this, we'll get y of n equals to 7 omega of n minus 5.25 omega of n minus 1 plus 1.375 omega of n minus 2. Right? Now realizing this. So here, this is how we are realizing this first. Then omega of n, this is 7 omega of n. If I pass with this, so we'll get this is minus 5.25 omega of n minus 1 plus 1.375 omega of n minus 2. So by combining this figure and the previous figure, so we'll write this realization of h of z. So that is, I'm just taking the combination of h1 of z and h2 of z. So here, as if I pass this omega of n through this delay element, we will get omega of n minus 1. Also, if I pass this omega of n through this, we will get it is omega of n minus 1. So instead of two delay element, we have used a one delay element. This is a simplified form of diet form 2, or canonic form we are calling it is. So that's how. So this is the diet form 2 implementation for the IIR system again. Okay. Then let us take a next question. Obtain the diet form 2 realization for the following system. This is same as again the previous example, the way how we have solved it. So this is again by taking the product of the separate brackets. So we are adding this like just taking the product first. We will take a product of these two bracket. We will get this term, and then taking the product of, otherwise we will take a product of these two first, that is z minus 1 and z minus 3, and this as it is we are just keeping. So like this way, and these two. Then again, by taking product of these two, we'll get this function. So again, by this converting the positive power into the negative power, we'll get this. So here again, diet form 2 as it is asked directly. So we will write the diet form 2 implementation directly here by taking this. As we know, the total delay elements required are 4. That is z minus 4 is there. So 4 delay elements we have taken. So it is like h of z equals to, we are going to write it as y of z by x of z. So by converting this into the difference equation, so what we can write here is, we can write y of z into 1 minus 23 z power minus 2 plus 18 z power minus 3 plus 40 z power minus 4 is equals to, we'll write x of z into 1 plus z inverse minus 11 z power minus 2 minus 9 z power minus 3 plus 18 z power minus 4. So by simplifying this and by getting the difference equation, so what difference equation we'll get is, we'll get the difference equation as y of n minus 23 y of n minus 1, or directly the z power minus 2 is there. So we'll get y of n minus 2 plus 18 y of n minus 3 plus 40 y of n minus 4, which is equals to x of n plus x of n minus 1 minus 11 x of n minus 2 minus 9 x of n minus 3 plus 18 x of n minus 4. Now this is our difference equation and we are realizing this way, right? So that's how we are converting this transfer function into the difference equation, and then we are realizing this into the diet form 2 implementation. So that's all about diet form 1 and diet form 2 implementation for IR system. The same procedure we have to follow for this. Then the diet form 1, it is required. We have seen the many examples on this. So this, you can take it as a practice example and you can solve these examples. So this is all about the diet form 1 and diet form 2. Now let us discuss on cascade form structure. Now let us discuss down a cascade form structure. As already we know that this is the generalized transfer function for an IR filter. So the system can be factored into a cascade of second order subsystems, such that h of z can be expressed as h of z equals to h1 of z into h2 of z into h3 of z into hk of z. So this is how we are writing summation k equals to 1k hk of z. So this summation we are using for the product purpose. So this summation we are using for the product purpose. Okay, so here like h1 of z, h2 of z, h3 of z can be written as like hk of z. So where k is the integer part of n plus 1 by 2 and hk of z has the general form. Here this is generalized form for the hk of z equation. For second order we have considered it here. So hk of z equals to bk0 bk1 z power minus 1 plus bk2 z power minus 2. And again, so this way we are just arranging the functions. Like h1 of z, the input will be x1 of n and its output will be y1 of n, and this output will become the input to the second function, that is we are calling it as x to n. Likewise, so here at h cap z, we have x cap n as the input and output will be y cap n. So this is about the cascading of the structure we have performed, right? So likewise, we need to realize in cascade, this way we are just representing like h cap z is y cap z by x cap z. The same way how we have performed for diode form 2, same way we have to perform this. So this is what the structure normally for implementing this cascade form structure, we are using the structure of diode form 2 implementation. So here this is a cascade realization structure which has like this is the part of system 1 and this is the part of system 2, and here this is the cascade realization. For implementing this cascade realization, we are taking the help of diode form 2 structure. Diode form 2 structure because it has a less delay elements. Okay. So now let us solve this example. Realize the following system function in cascade form. So here we are just simplifying this like solution. How I am solving this is like h1 of z into h2 of z. So first we have made this is like 1 divided by this function 1 divided by, so this part I have just separated this part as one part. So 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by 4 z inverse into this 1 plus 1 by 5 z inverse divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 z power minus 1 plus 1 by 3 z power minus 2. Now we know how to realize this in the cascade form structure format. So that is, so this is one. Here one thing you need to remember. So if it is in transfer function form, here it is plus, then we will get this multiplier as a minus. And here if it is plus, we'll get the multiplier as plus. So that we need to remember. Or else you just follow the same procedure which we have done it for diode form 2. First convert this into the difference equation and implement. You will get the same thing. So this is for the first part. That is what we are calling it as h1 of z. And similarly, second one, this is like this portion is again it is like y of z by x of z. We are having, okay. So then, so here this is like coefficients of y, it is like minus 1 by 2, it's I'm writing it is plus 1 by 2, and this is minus plus 1 by 3 can be written as minus 1 by 3. So this is how cascading of the two system. This is h2 of z in diode form 2. So this is one first system and this is the second system. So this is how we are calling it as a realization of IR filters in cascade form structure. Then next again the same procedure we are following here. Realize the following system function in cascade form. H of z equals to 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 z inverse plus 1 by 2 z power minus 2. Again in the bracket 1 minus 1 by 5 z inverse plus 1 by 6 z power minus 2. So again we are just converting this into the two functions like h1 of z and h2 of z. So this is h1 of z and h2 of z. Now realizing this same procedure, this we need to realize as a diode form 2 structure. Okay, this is like for the first part, it is, so this part we are realizing here this way, and this part we are realizing is this. So this is what we are calling it as h1 of z, this is h2 of z. h1 of z and h2 of z. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, and this is minus 1 by 2. So this is the way how this is here. If you observe, this is minus is there. I have taken it as plus 1 by 5, and plus 1 by 6 is there. It is minus 1 by 6. Or else you can follow the same procedure of diode form 2 realization. So this is again cascading of the two system function. The same procedure you can apply for this. You have around different examples. This is a difference equation. So here this difference equation, by applying Z transform to this, by applying Z transform to this, by applying Z transform to this, so we'll write h of z equals to y of z by x of z, which equals to 6 plus 7z inverse plus z power minus 2, then divided by, here we are just taking the term, this way we can write this y of z, this I will take it as minus, then this is plus, and then this is minus, and this is equals to. So with that we can write, sorry, this is equals to here. So here we will write this is equals to, by taking y of z common term here again, and by taking x of z here, we'll write y of z by x of z, which equals to 6 plus 7z inverse this way. And then again, we need to, this is a single transfer function. We need to convert this into the two transfer function. This is a quadratic equation, and above is also quadratic equation. So we have to find its roots. So this way we are finding the roots, and also like we are expressing this in the form of h1 of z and h2 of z, right? So then the same process you can follow for implementing this realization h1 of z and h2 of z. Once if you understood, or once if you calculate the value of h1 of z and h2 of z, then we can realize the system function in cascade form realization. Then again, this is a system function is specified by its transfer function h of z. So h of z equals to z minus 1, z minus 2, z plus 2 into z. So this way we are just writing this separately. So if you simplify this equation, so we are writing z square minus 3z plus 2 divided by z square minus z plus 0.5 into z square plus 2z divided by z square. Right. So here we are just converting these positive powers into negative powers and writing it in the form of h1 of z into h2 of z. So we'll realize that above equation in this format. So if you go through this, you will understand very easily. So as already we have solved the many examples on this part. So this, you can take these examples as your practice purpose again, right? So this is all about IR filter system design using a cascade form structure. So here, as we have discussed on the IR filter system as well as IR filter realization in diode form 1, diode form 2, and the cascade form structure. So this is all about the realization of IR filter in cascade form and diode form 1 and diode form 2. This FIR form structure, this is not required for you as for your syllabus. So if anyone wants to do it as a practice, they can refer this and complete for a parallel form realization of FIR system. So this part we'll discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.